Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to allocate more RAM to your Minecraft game profile. Allocating more RAM can help improve performance, especially when you're using mods or large mod packs. First, open the Minecraft launcher. Next, click the Installations tab at the top. Find a profile you want to edit. Click the three dots next to it and select Edit. Then, click More Options. Look for the JVM Arguments box. At the beginning of the text, you'll see a value like $XMX2G. This controls the maximum amount of RAM Minecraft can use. For example, if you want to allocate 4 GB of RAM, just change the 2G to 4G. If your PC has enough memory, you can increase it even further. Just make sure not to allocate all of your system's RAM, as your PC and other programs still need memory to run properly. So once you're done, click Save. Now, launch the game using that profile, and Minecraft will use the new RAM allocation. And that's it. Thanks for watching.